Thokozani emakhosini leserikhanya kamakunda uweshewe. So on the video I made about isichitho, there's a lady who asked me, a pair or something, who asked me that on the issue of isichitho gogo, what happens if you feel anything moving in your stomach, right? So that can be either idliso, not isichitho, right? Meaning udlisiwe, and there's different types of ways that one can be dlised. You can be dlised in your food through ukulalana nomuntu, ungadliswa through amaphupho, uphupha udla, yeah, but also it can also signal something else. It can be also that unomoya womdawo. Remember, umoya womdawo shows itself, or one of the signs, it's that ihlala esiswini, especially to people who are women. Like esibelethweni, you will feel like something is moving, or you'll feel like you're pregnant, or you feel like nje kunento nje ehambayo, and they can't see it, they can't feel it, and you take pregnancy tests and it says negative. Yes, you're not pregnant. It might be that unomoya womdawo. Some who have moya womdawo may have even also difficulties in terms of falling pregnant because of ukuhleli kabi. Hence umdawo ufanele ulashwe, right? Ufanele ulungiswe, ubekwe kahle, uhlale kahle emzimbeni wakho, yabo. So yeah, it can also be that. Also, it can be that probably you've got fibroids, which is a medical issue that you need to go to a doctor, you get it checked out, before you conclude ukuthi it's anything else. But if you've went to a doctor and they still can't see anything, you go to a healer, they determine ukuthi exactly what is going on ngawe. But yeah, so kuningi, and I hope this video makes sense, and I hope you will learn something from it. Emakhosini leserikhanya kamakunda uweshewe.